Hello makeup friends and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I apologize for my voice this week as I am a little deep and raspy because I am getting over the flu, but I did this warm toned look using the Dito Cosmetics Saturn themed eyeshadow palette. They are a fairly new makeup brand, so if you want to check them out I will link them down below, but this is the look I created, so yeah, let's just get into it. So here's what the Dito Cosmetics, I hope I'm saying that correctly, the Dito Cosmetics Saturn palette looks like on the outside. It does have magnetic closure and then it does have a mirror on the top as well. As far as the inside goes, this middle shade right here is kind of glittery. Not a lot of color, just more on the glittery side. This one, and this one are all mattes, and then these four right here are shimmers, and then this one in the corner is kind of unique. It's kind of a duochrome, so it goes from pink to gold depending on how the light hits it. But yeah, so that's what the palette looks like in case you were curious, but let's get into the tutorial. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm actually going to go in with this shade over here with the BH Cosmetics fluffy brush and just kind of put that in my crease just to kind of give myself a warm up, and then I'll go in with the darker shades here in a second. So I'm going to go in with that deep red. As you can see, I already started, but I'm going to go in with that deep red using a little foam applicator just to pack on the color, and then afterwards I'll go in using a brush just to soften the edges a little bit. Alright, so far I put that red shade on my lid. I also went in with this darker brown right here with this smaller detail brush just to put it like right in the crease. And then I also took this more denser fluffy brush and went in with that lighter shade that I was using earlier, and I just put it on the edge just to kind of soften everything up. So I'm just going to kind of continue doing those steps until I get it where I want it. So now I'm just going to use those same colors and just bring them down to my lower lash line too. So now I'm going to take this automatic eyeliner I have from Ulta Beauty called Chocolate Metallic, and I'm just going to put some of that close to my lash line up here as well as in my waterline down here just to kind of bring everything together. But side note, I also believe this is now called Chocolate Glitter instead of Chocolate Metallic. So now that I'm happy with how that's looking so far, I'm going to curl my lashes and just apply a quick coat of this new Fenty Beauty mascara. So while I'm waiting for that mascara to dry before I do my lashes, I'm actually going to go back into the palette into this kind of duochromatic pink to gold shade, and I'm going to take a little foam applicator and I'm going to focus that kind of right here and on the just inner corner part of my eye, so like down here and a little bit right there. That's why I left this little space right here blank. That color is just so pretty. Okay, so now that I have that down, I'm going to go in with my favorite lashes, which are from Kiss, and they are called Little Black Dress. Okay, so last minute decision, I'm actually going to take some of the Sephora waterproof felt liner, and I'm just going to put some of that right there just to kind of blend in that lash band a little better. Alright makeup friends, so here is my final look. As per usual, I will insert a clip of what this looks like in natural lighting. But yeah, it's a really fun palette. It's one of the rare palettes where I actually don't mind how many shimmers are in there. I usually prefer palettes that are very matte based with just a couple shimmers, but this one is mostly shimmery and glittery, but I think it actually works because even the shimmers have a pretty decent pigment to them. They're not just shimmer, they actually have like color in them as well. But yeah, so here's what it looks like. I will insert a clip of this in natural lighting, and I will see you all next week in my next video.